Hi everybody, I am going to discuss rename operator. Rename operator. Subject is DBMS and the topics is relational algebra. Rename operator. The first point. It is a unary operator. Why it is unary operator? Because it requires only one relation. It is a unary operator. Next one is it is used to rename. It is used to rename any attribute or any relations. It is used to rename any attribute or any relations. It is denoted by row. It is denoted by row. Row for rename, S for select, sigma for select, P for project. It is denoted by row. So this is the rename concept through which we can rename a table or attributes name. It is denoted by row. And now the syntax. There are different syntax of this operator. First one is suppose I want to rename the relation. Rename, this is the syntax of renaming a relation. Then the syntax is row and the old table is this one is the old table R and S is the new table. So rename the old table from the old table to new table. So this one is the relation. The relation R is renamed as S. R is renamed as S. R is the table relation or S is the new name given to that relation. So it is renamed by another name. So this is the first syntax. Then the second one. Suppose I want to rename the column name only. Rename attributes, that is the column names. So then row, the column names are suppose B1, B2, B3 Bn are the column name and the old relation name is R. R is the previous relation and the R remains same but attribute changes. Attribute name are changes. Here B1, B2, B3 Bn attribute are changed or renamed. Attribute are renamed. Here B1, B2, B3 Bn attribute are renamed. So this is the relation R and B1, B2, B3 Bn are the attributes or column name to be renamed. So this is the concept of rename attribute here. R is remain intact same. R এর যে নামটা ছিল যে টেবিলের নাম স্টুডেন্ট হয় স্টুডেন্টই আছে বাট কলাম নেমগুলো আমরা কলাম নেম সাপোজ আর এ আছে A1 A2 A3 ছিল সেটা চেঞ্জেস হয়েছে B1 B2 B3 Bn. So this is the second syntax. Suppose we want to rename both. Rename both mean rename relations and attributes. Rename relation and attributes. Suppose I want to change both relation and attributes, then we will use row. New old relation is R, new relation is S, as well as change the attribute B1 B2 Bn. R is the old relations, that is the previous relation name, relation or table. S is the new relation or table. B1 B2 Bn are attributes. Bn B2 Bn are B1 B2 Bn are attributes. This is the third syntax through which we can rename a table to another table as well as the attribute name. These are the syntax for relation or rename operator. It is a unary operator because it requires only one relation or table. Now the example. Suppose name of the table is student. These are the example. Suppose name of the table is student, which consists of name, roll and mark, which consists of name, roll and marks. Suppose I want to rename student table to student info table. Then the first is one, this is the row, old table name is student, new table name is student underscore info, student underscore info. This is the old name, this is the new name. Student table is renamed as student info. Here student table is renamed as student info. Student table is renamed as student info. This is the first syntax of the rename. Now suppose we want to change mark attribute as total marks. Then we can use row name of the table is student and the column name are name, roll and total marks. Here mark attribute rename to, here mark attribute rename to total marks. Mark attribute rename to total marks name. So this is the second syntax. Now suppose I want to change both. Student name need to be changed as student info and the mark need to be changed as total marks. Then we can use this syntax. Row rename operator, name of the table is student and now the new name is student underscore info, and the attribute name are B1, B2. These are the B1, B2 new name, and the marks is changed as total marks. Marks is changed as total marks. Here student is changes, student column is changes to student info, as well as attribute values are changes to name, roll and total marks. Total marks is changed to total marks. The name remains same, roll remains same. So these are the examples of rename operator. Rename operator is a unary operator. It is a unary operator. It requires only one relation. Rename means renaming attribute. We can rename the attribute name. We can rename the table name, or both. These are the different syntax. The name of the operator is row. R for rename, row or row, and these are the examples of rename operator.